1. What is the minimum age requirement to apply for the New York State Police? A. 18 years old. B. 19 years old. C. 20 years old. D. 21 years old. 2. How many college credits are required as an alternative to the military service requirement for NYSP applicants? A. 30 credits. B. 45 credits. C. 60 credits. D. 90 credits. 3. What is the maximum age limit for New York State Police applicants at the time of appointment? A. 29 years old. B. 30 years old. C. 35 years old. D. No maximum age limit. 4. The New York State Police was established in what year? A. 1905. B. 1917. C. 1923. D. 1935. 5. What is the duration of the basic school training program for NYSP recruits? A. 12 weeks. B. 18 weeks. C. 26 weeks. D. 32 weeks. 6. Which of the following is not a component of the NYSP written examination? A. Reading comprehension. B. Memorization and visualization. C. Mathematical reasoning. D. Foreign language proficiency. 7. What is the minimum vision requirement for NYSP applicants without correction? A. 20/20 in both eyes. B. 20/40 in each eye. C. 20/100 in each eye. D. 22/100 in each eye. 8. Where is the New York State Police Academy located? A. Albany. B. C. Rochester. D. Buffalo. 9. What is the probationary period for newly appointed state troopers? A. 6 months. B. 1 year. C. 18 months. D. 2 years. 10. Which document must NYSP applicants possess at the time of appointment? A. Bachelor's degree. B. Valid driver's license. C. Passport. D. Military discharge papers. 11. The NYSP physical ability test includes all of the following except A. 1.5-mile run. B. Push-up. C. Swimming test. D. Sit-ups. 12. What is the minimum educational requirement for NYSP applicants? A. GED or high school diploma. B. Associate's degree. C. Bachelor's degree. D. Some college credits. 13. How many push-ups must male applicants complete in the NYSP physical ability test within the time limit? A. 15. B. 25. C. 29. D. 35. 14. What is the starting salary range for a New York State trooper recruit during academy training? A. $35,000 to $40,000. B. $43,000, $48,000. C. $50,000 to $55,000. D. $60,000, $65,000. 15. Which background check component is not part of the NYSP hiring process? A. Criminal history check. B. Credit history review. C. Social media review. D. Polygraph examination. 16. What is the mandatory retirement age for New York State troopers? A. 55 years old. B. 60 years old. C. 62 years old. D. 65 years old. 17. The NYSP Oral Interview Board typically consists of how many members? A. 2 members. B. 3 members. C. 4 members. D. 5 members. 18. Which of the following disqualifies an applicant from NYSP employment? A. 1 minor traffic violation in the past year. B. Felony conviction. C. Misdemeanor conviction from 10 years ago. D. Previous military service. 19. What is the time limit for completing the 1.5-mile run in the NYSP physical ability test for males under 30? A. 12 minutes 30 seconds. B. 13 minutes 45 seconds. C. 14 minutes 15 seconds. D. 15 minutes 30 seconds. 20. New York State Police recruits receive training in all of the following, except A. Firearms proficiency. B. Emergency vehicle operation. C. Pilot training. D. Criminal law. 21. What is the residency requirement for NYSP applicants? A. Must live in New York State for 1 year before applying. B. Must be a New York State resident at time of appointment. C. Must live within 50 miles of assigned troop. D. No residency requirement. 22. The NYSP uses which type of firearm as the standard service weapon? A. Revolver. B. Semi-automatic pistol. C. D. Rifle. 23. How many sit-ups must female applicants complete in the NYSP physical ability test within 1 minute? A. 25. B. 32. C. 38. D. 5. 24. What is the vision requirement for NYSP applicants with correction? A. 20/20 in both eyes. B. 20/30 in each eye. C. 20/40 in each eye. D. 20/50s in each eye. 25. The New York State Police is divided into how many troops? A. 8. B. 10. C. 11. D. 15. 26. Which of the following is a valid reason for disqualification during the NYSP background investigation? A. Bankruptcy filing 5 years ago. B. Illegal drug use within recent years. C. Changing jobs frequently. D. Having a relative in law enforcement. 27. What is the minimum number of college credits required if an applicant has no military service? A. 30 credits. B. 45 credits. C. 60 credits. D. Must have military service, no credit alternative. 28. The NYSP written exam is typically scored on what basis? A. Pass-fail only. B. Scaled score with ranking. C. Percentage grade. D. Letter grade system. 29. During the NYSP Academy, recruits are A. Allowed to live at home. B. Required to live on campus. C. Given the choice of living arrangements. D. Required to live in Albany. 30. What type of background element receives the most scrutiny in the NYSP hiring process? A. Employment history. B. Financial history. C. Criminal history and drug use. D. Driving record. 31. The physical fitness standards for NYSP are based on what percentile requirements? A. 25th percentile. B. 40th percentile. C. 50th percentile. D. 75th percentile. 32. How long is the NYSP eligibility list typically valid? A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 4 years. 33. Which of the following best describes the NYSP promotional system? A. Based solely on seniority. B. Based solely on examination scores. C. Based on examination scores and performance evaluations. D. Based on supervisor recommendations only. 34. What is the primary purpose of the NYSP psychological evaluation? A. To measure intelligence. B. To assess suitability for law enforcement work. C. To determine stress levels. D. To evaluate physical fitness. 35. New York State troopers are required to complete continuing education. A. Every year. B. Every 2 years. C. Every 5 years. D. Only during promotional preparation.